It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum. It's raining tacos.
Now a word from our Shopkins sponsors. How do you feel about raining tacos too?
Oh my gosh, it's like the best thing ever. I mean, we're all foods, right? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. So it's just really great. I can't believe it's the second raining tacos. The first one was the best, but the second is even better. Yeah, I love it. I love it so much. Oops, sorry. Raining tacos too is awesome. It's just twist and fun. Agree with that. Yeah. Whenever I see this video, it makes me crack up. This is
But this is mostly dedicated to the taco.
You mean Rainbow Bite?
Whatever.
This is dedicated for me. It's number 2 tacos. This is the best.
Doesn't it look like Marissa is dying at the end? Let me show you. She looks like she's dying.
Kylie, why are you making it look like I'm dying?
It's nothing. No.